So, good morning everyone. I'm John Ray Digamo from BIS IT 21C, and kung topic nga napilian kay Q. So, ako ni explain guys kung yun sa ako ni pag-code sa ako ang code. So, una na akong buhaton kay package ko. Okay. So, package. Dayon. So, tangguan ni public class. So, kani si public class. So this line defines a public class named Q. So the public keyword means that this class can be accessed from any other class. So mag-main method na guys, mag-use running. Then Q. So, para makuha na sila guys, mag-use po import. Then after, so ang use daning mga main method, so this kaning Q, then string. So this line create a new Q object named Q. It's implemented using a linked list to store elements of type string. This means the Q will hold string. Mag-adding elements na guys sa kaning Q, like yan guys, Q dot offer so nalin 9 kabo planet guys. So copy lang na nato ni siya 9 kabo 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then example lani kay si Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Moon, then Pluto. So muna yung 9 guys, yung planet guys. So kaning kuan this line nga elements ay using the offer method. The offer method adds an element to end of the queue, so its return true. Then if the element was added successfully and false, the require is full. In case of a bounded queue which linked list is not. Then nag-system up print ko ani to sa ani nga line sa the enter queue to the console. The output will show the elements in the order they were added. Dayon naggamit ko aning queue pool to remove the head of the queue. So the first element that was added, so using the pool method. So the pool method removes and returns the head of the queue. If the queue is empty, it returns null. So ari na po ta sa system out print. Shortcut na lang ako guys. So example ani kaning Mercury. Then to read. So kani day si line nga Q. So this line prints the Q to the console after the pull. So operation you'll see the Mercury is no longer in the queue. Nag-add pa another guys. So mao man yang discuss ni Miss. Ikuha na niya last time. Is P, this one. Ayan, ako na explain guys kung sa use nila after sa akong i-print ani. Turn empty. Ito na po tani bone chain. So like ani magbuta ka Jupiter. Then katong the last is size. Ano siya guys, mana output. So the use the aning kuan kaning peak. So this line, so murag na ingon na ako ninyo guys, pero ari na ta sa empty. So kaning empty sa kaning line mo check na siya sa if the queue is empty using the empty method. So it prints true if the queue is empty and false otherwise. So ari ta ni system out print queue that contains. So this line checks if the Jupiter contains the elements like that Jupiter, then using the contains method, so mo print ni siya if true the queue contains the element and false. So kaning last nga kaning size, so this line print the number of element currently in the queue using size method. So ato ni paraan guys. So sa inyo nakita nako naman mao na ni guys, basta mao na ni. So thank you and please follow and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.